are customs exams per container or per bill of lading? And if it's per bill of lading, do all the containers on that bill of lading get examined?
Usually it's by container. I mean, if there's one container on one bill of lading, the answer is yes, it's both. But I have personally seen where one particular container on a bill of lading gets called for an exam. The downside is that usually what that means is that none of those containers, if they're scheduled to move inland, do move inland. They sit at the port, they don't move on the rail, they can collect demurrage while you wait for the exam on that one single container. So they're only going to examine that one container or two containers out of five, however many. But what ends up happening is it does actually hold up all of the containers on that bill of lading.